y'all, welcome to our baddie channel where we live our fly. I am y'all bougie native Brandy LaRonda Marie, and let's get into this video.
Money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Ho, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, huh? I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash.
Hey y'all, so as y'all can see, the parking garage is empty really, so that means I can park down here. So we just came to Bay Street real quick. I needed to come to Sephora and just get one or two things, nothing too much. Can I park this way? Hold on, I'm trying to see what these signs say. Yeah, I think I'm good right here. So I just needed to come to get a few things. Is this even a parking stall? I don't even know if this is a parking stall. I think it is. But the other one's got, let me park where the thing is, because I don't know. Do not judge me, but the other one's got the little bumper thing on them and that one don't. I don't know what that means. I don't even want to take no chances, especially dealing with here. So I am in Emeryville, California, you guys, at Bay Street. So this is like our little outdoor type shopping mall. It has a few things like Bath and Body Works, the movie theaters is here, it's a few restaurants, of course Sephora is here, H&M, Forever 21, a few other stores are here as well. So we are just gonna go in Sephora real quick and get a few things. Hey y'all, so I wanted to go ahead and film in Sephora, but I did not know they didn't let you film, because I've always been able to take my camera in there and take photos or whatever. My jacket looks funny, or do that or whatever. But girl, she was like, you cannot film in here, and I'm like, why? Because all the YouTubers do it. She was like, yeah, but they're not supposed to. Yeah. She had me cracking up. But yeah, so they didn't have my foundation no more. I love Urban Decay, and I was using Urban Decay's new foundation, but I just didn't like the way that it made me look kind of a little bit too golden, and we tried a few colors, so I went with this Born This Way foundation. I've always used the concealer, I've never used the foundation, so I hope it comes out really nice. So I brought my old Urban Decay foundation just so we can match it, and we came out with a good color, so we're gonna see how it goes. I'm about to go to Target, so yeah, I will be back. Girl, I look crazy. Y'all see, I didn't even get dressed. I didn't put no eyebrows on. I didn't care. I'm like, I'm going before everybody else get there, because I know if I wait till 2 o'clock to come here, or even a Target, it's 11 already. If I wait, it's gonna be hella people in there, and I don't want to be around hella people right now. Like, it is December 31st. I'm so thankful that I am able to see December 31st. I know a lot of people didn't get through this year. COVID, hella other stuff happened, so I'm very thankful that I am safe and healthy, and my family is healthy, and I have not lacked anything during COVID. So I'm very thankful, you guys. Like, yeah, I don't even understand. Like, I'm extremely thankful. So we are just about to head over the overpass down here, and it is going to take us to Target. So that's where we are going to go, and I might not even have to pay, because I wasn't even in here for that long. I don't know, I probably wasn't here longer than 15 minutes. I don't know though. We about to see as soon as, hold on, like, can I find my damn ticket? Like, why is it that those little tickets are always so hard to keep track of? Like, I don't even know where the hell mine's at. And I just, oh Lord, dealing with those damn tickets. So I hope everybody is having a wonderful 11:09. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Thursday. And whatever you guys do to bring in the new year tonight, I hope you guys enjoy yourselves. I know a lot of people are making dream boards, wish boards, whatever you want to call them. I've already made a dream board, so I really don't know what I'm gonna do tonight, but I know I'm probably most likely gonna just stay inside and eat something really good and have myself a little drink or something, because boo-boo, it is much needed. Also, I think while we're over here, hold on, I'm so short, y'all. I can't even put the thing in because I'm so damn short. I'm only 5'2". That's one of our struggles. We can't reach the top of cabinets, and we can't even put the ticket things in because our arms, everything, we're just so little. So while we're over here, I might stop. Do I want to stop? Nah, I kind of want to stop and get some Jamba Juice, but I don't feel like really stopping. I really feel like going back home, honestly. Like, I got a few orders to pack and everything. I am just, ugh. And I've been having like this on and off migraine for like the last 2 weeks. And last night I had one. It hurt so bad for hours. Like, and I was drinking so much water. Like, I'm trying to just do everything. And I didn't want to take no Tylenol. But when I did take Tylenol, it took like, and I took the extra strength too. And it took like 30 minutes to kick in. And then I was finally able to go to sleep like at 5 o'clock this morning. Like, that's how much pain I was in. I was able to go to sleep at 5 o'clock this morning. And the people downstairs, girl, oh my God. Ooh, hold on. The people downstairs, y'all. See, I gotta hold this damn thing because every time I do a turn, the camera be moving and I be accidentally turning on my windshield wipers trying to get the camera, like, but they was arguing this morning, so I don't know what happened, but I heard some doors slam and hella shit. Like, I heard hella doors slam earlier this morning, like at 7 this morning. Like, what the hell? This stupid ass Prius. I wasn't gonna slow down, so he would have wanted to speed up. I can't stand no damn Prius. Oh, it gets on my nerves. I'm trying to even debate if I even want to go into Target or not. Let's see, can we see how many people here? Let's try to see if we can see how many people here, because I don't even want to go up in here like that. But I do need to give my baby sister some stuff. Because it was her. Woo! Hell no! It's hella people there. I cannot. I'm gonna just have to order some stuff online or something, because that's just dealing with too much. Like, and I need to eat something. I just cannot deal with it. But I do need to eat something. So yeah, I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. See, my headache is starting to come back on right now. I don't know if it's because I ain't ate anything, but I don't think that that's what it is. Like, I feel like it's something else and I just don't know. I did lose someone this month, so maybe I just been hella stressed and like sad dealing with that, and maybe that's why my head been hurting a lot. I don't know, but like, I've been trying to like do everything I can to get rid of these damn headaches. So that's probably what it is. I don't know. Oh, so if you guys have not already, please go ahead and shop my store. My boutique is Najawe Boutique. You guys can go ahead and follow me on Instagram at MyLifeBrandy, and then follow my business Instagram page at Najawe Boutique, and that is NAJAWE Boutique, and also of course NajaweBoutique.com, NAJAWE Boutique.com. Go ahead and check out what I have going on. I have a bundle package going on right now, which is 3 stack necklaces for $25. Or these hoop earrings I got them in gold and silver. I currently have the silver ones on, and I got you can get 2 pairs of these for $20. And then I also have some other earrings, which is the Wings of Love, the little butterfly studs. You can get those, come in gold and silver, and you can get 2 of them for $20. Those are really cute. I have mentioned them in my other videos. And then also, if you look on the website, if you click on it, I do have, like, if you click on that item, I do have a picture of me wearing them. They are so beautiful, y'all. I feel like they go with anything. I just be wearing hoops when I be like looking raggedy, and I be wanting to put my hair in a bun, and I be wanting to be like semi-cute, you know what I mean? I be wanting to be semi-cute. And I feel like it's something right here on my glasses, but I ain't gonna clean them. I just don't feel like it. I don't care if y'all can see it, I'm sorry. But I didn't do nothing. I didn't put on no eyebrows today. I didn't put on nothing. I just was like, let me go get my stuff from Sephora and call it a day. I hate that you can go into Sephora and just buy 2 things and it'll come up to $100. Like, what the fuck? You know what I mean? Like, why is it so expensive to be a girl? Our hair costs $400 and it costs $200 to get it put in. Then you gotta buy the makeup, and then if you don't know how to do makeup, you gotta get your makeup done. Then you gotta get your nails done. Your nails alone is gonna run you about $60 to $70. And you gotta get your toes done. Your toes is gonna run you about $25 to $30, depending on what you get, who you go to, if you get gel or whatever. Like, the shit just costs. You feel me? Like, people don't be understanding shit be costing. Like, literally. It was this thing I seen on Instagram. It was like a breakdown of, I'm gonna put it on here. Like, I'm gonna put it on here, and if you ain't seen it, you gonna crack up. Like, cause it's like a breakdown of like how much it costs to be a girl. Oh my god, this shit is fucking hilarious, cause it's so accurate. Like, it's so true. Like, it does cost all of this to just maintain the look of being a female. It's just so much. Ooh, only if I was a dude. But yeah, you guys, so I will see you guys when I get home. I'm gonna go ahead and focus on this driving. You know, we can't even listen to music when I'm on here, so I'm about to turn my music up, probably stop somewhere and get me something to eat real quick. I should have just went to Jamba Juice. That's what I should have just did, and got me a waffle and my favorite juice, my favorite drink, which is a peach pleasure. So, all right, babe, so I will be back. So I'm not gonna make like a big video regarding what I got from Sephora, because I didn't really get that much. I'm just gonna show y'all right now. I just got some Bobbi Brown bronzing powder, obviously in deep. I got some Laura Mercier translucent powder. I was definitely out of all my translucent powders going. I was looking crazy using my concealer, not setting it with anything. And then I got the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I've never used this before, so we're gonna try to see. I don't know why I ain't used it before, because I love Too Faced products, but I'm just such of an Urban Decay girl. Like, I love using all Urban Decay. So those are the 3 things that I got. All right, y'all, so here is my lunch. Hands are washed and everything, so don't say shit. But here is my lunch. I done got a mesquite turkey sandwich, 2 slices of American cheese, pickles, mustard mayonnaise on both sides, 1 tomato, and 1 little leaf of lettuce. I also have a Sprite, which I don't need to be drinking, and then I have some Funyuns, which I don't need to be eating. But I know what I am gonna eat is the sandwich. Oh, and I did get a little thing of macaroni and cheese. So this is all from Safeway. So if you are from the Bay Area, I mean, California in general, like, if you are from here or wherever there is a Safeway, you know that Lucky and Safeway, they have the best freaking sandwiches. Ever since they closed Genoa, sorry y'all, I'm breathing hard because I just walked upstairs, but ever since they closed all of our other sandwich joints, like, and this is just so close. It's like really, Safeway is really close to my home, so I just went and got me a Safeway sandwich for lunch. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the last day of 2020. I hope you guys make it a very prosperous and successful and just amazing day. And I will see you guys in the new year. Peace.